What's up, guys? We got a package. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna open this up. We'll do a little unboxing like how we did last time. You know what I'm saying? First look. It didn't fall out.
Ready to go on the car.
Check out these forms. Check these out, man.
Hell yeah, man.
Check them out, dude. These arms are gangster.
Dang.
You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all boys, so we got the car jacked up. We got the old one off. But yeah, trash. So we're gonna throw these on right now. And yeah, I mean, so boom, y'all boys. Those are installed. I'm just gonna put the wheel on, and I'm gonna do the other side. But pretty good so far. Easy. Like, these shits are adjusting so easy with my hand. I know it's brand new and the car's in the air and stuff, but yeah. So boom, car's back on the floor with the wheel on.
That shit is not 100% straight. It could probably go in a little more. But
I'll just say that for your alignment shop. I'm not gonna drive it until it's aligned, so that doesn't really matter. I'm gonna drive it straight to the alignment shop. But I'm just gonna move the car over so I can do the other side, have more space. And yeah, let's do the other side real quick. Throw that arm on. Auto clusters out as well. But yeah, let's do that real quick. Bam, we got the wheel in the air, man. All right, well, I don't know if you're supposed to take off the traction arm, but I just did it to get it out the way. But I got this off right here. You can see it's pretty fucked, old tow arm. Now I just gotta take off this side, and we should be able to get the arm out. You see the arm is free, so we just gotta drop this side and take the arm out, and we can put the new one in. I got the arm out, got the new one. I'm just gonna put them next to each other, make them the same length. The arm is on. I'm just gonna put the wheel on. I mean, all I did was adjust the new arm to the same length as the old arm, and it's pretty good. I situated the front a little bit. All right, y'all boys, we're trying to fix the brakes. We was trying to bleed them, but they're not bleeding. So we got some adapters. We're gonna connect the brake lines off of this pump. So we don't know if that's gonna fix it, but we're just trying, dude.
yeah, we're gonna delete the ABS pump and just run the line straight to the brake lines, like to the calipers, minus the pump.
So me and Rafiq bled the brakes. The brakes seem to be working a little bit, so we're gonna move the cars and try and go drive the cars, see if the brakes work a little bit. Right here. Got the side skirt off.
That's on the floor. Like I'm on the floor right now.
Yeah, the brakes aren't really working too much there. So boom, the brake bleed did not work. We had to take the cylinder out, and we took it apart, and you could see. Wait, is it that one? Yeah, that one. That rubber is messed up, and then I think this one's also messed up right there. So I'm thinking it's not making pressure now. So we're gonna get a new one and try to fix that. All right, guys. I'm gonna pull her out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What part is this?
It's for the chaser. Damn. Got that leather, dude. Nice. That is sick, guys. So boom, this is the wheel we got. Pretty cool, pretty chill. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this one out. All right, so we got the old wheel off, and it's a little bent. Made in Italy. That's pretty cool. This is like a 350, and what we have to put in is a 330 right here. It's a little smaller, but I think that's chill. All installed. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna totally got the brakes working. Brakes are working, dude.
That's sick.
Got brakes. W fix.
We got some Polis, bruh.
We're not gonna go that way.
True.
What that stop sign say?
Bro, that shit says stop, bro.
Rafiq's driving. She's a little all over the place. Yeah. So boom. The car has brakes now. I think we're just gonna clean up a little down here because we got some brake fluid everywhere. But yeah. So boom, we got Rafiq's car outside. his other one. Now I'm seeing. Yeah, I see what's going on, man. So, I got some tires mounted. There were just some tires I had laying around. This is how it looks on the car. It's kind of, can't put your finger in it. But it's with a 35 mil from the XT7s. I was trying some other spacers, and they weren't enough space. Like, the wheel was very much in. These wheels are very weak, so it's all right. I would like to either just get a smaller tire. I'm gonna hit somebody up, see if I can get some tires, but I might have to raise it because this is not. Yeah, I even painted the caliper black because it looked like shit. So yeah, pretty big, pretty large, but yeah, it's chill.